Good morning, dear children. So, in our last class, we have learned how to multiply, how to solve the multiplication sums without grouping. Without grouping means what? Without carrying. So, here I am going to solve exercise 5.4. Just concentrate, children, how to multiply with carrying. Look at the paper, children. Here the first question is 75 into 8. So the first number is called multiplicand. Second number is called multiplier. Then the answer is called product. So the first number we have to write up 75 into 8. 8 is there, no? So write 8. See here, children, in multiplier place, which number is there? 8 is there. So, 8 table we have to tell now. Once we have to multiply with 8 5s are, then write 8 7s are multiply and write as usual. How I have explained in the previous class. Same, children. But here we have to carry. 8 5s are how much? Say 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Tell me, children, fast. Tell me loudly. 8 5s are 40. How to write 40? We cannot write 40 like this. How you will carry the number in addition? The left side number you will carry to the next number. Same here also. 0 is here. 4 is on next number. 4 is on next number. So here 40 we have written. 8 5s are 40. 8 7s are how much? Say 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Say loudly now. 8 7s are how much? 56. 8 7s are 56. For that 56 add 4. For that 56 we have to add this 4. 57, 58, 59, 60. So answer is what? 60. Over. Understood? Now the second question is, second one. Here I will do it. Second question is 627 into 7. How to do? Same. The first number, multiplicand number first. See here, children, you have to leave some space in between two numbers into 7. So now which table we have to say? We have to see here which number is there? 7 is there. So 7 table. Here 8 is there. So 8 table we said. Here 7 is there. 7 table. So multiply one by one. See, multiply with this number. Multiply with this number. Then multiply with the last number. Same. 7 7s are, say 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are, yes, 7 7s are how much? 49. How to write 49? We cannot write 49 here. So we have to carry 4 on the next number. 4 on the next number we have to carry and write here 9. 49. 7 2s are, 7 2s are 14. For that 14 we have to add this 4. 14 plus 4? 18. How to write 18? We can write 18 like this? No. We have to carry 1 on the next number. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 1? 43. Over. Yes, children? Now one more sum I am going to explain. 2 digits with 2 digits. See here, children. Third question. 83 into 26. 83 into 26. So now write 83 as it is into 26 as it is. One below another you have to write. How to multiply, teacher? Yes, I have told you in the previous class how to multiply. Now just close this number. Think only 6 is there. Down which number is there? 6 is there. So 6 table we have to tell now. 6 3s are 18. carry 1 on the next number. Understood or not? 6 3s are 18. 6 8s are, come on, tell me 6 1s are table. 48. 48 plus 1, 49. Teacher, I have one doubt, teacher. Why you have written 49 directly, teacher? Why you have not taken this 4 as a carry? Why? Because there is no numbers. Is there any number after this 8? No. So, when the numbers are not there, don't carry. Directly write the answer. Okay, children. Now, what to do? We have to write plus below the first number. It's compulsory, children. Plus is compulsory. One below another you have to write. Now, cancel this 6. Now, take this 2. First, which table we have to say now? 2 table. 2 table we have to say. 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3, 6. Where to write 6? On this, below this 9. One below another you have to write. Understood? Next, 2 3s are 6 we have written. 2 8s are 16. How to write 16s here? One below another. One below another. You have to write one below another. Don't write in between. Sandhi ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. One below another only you have to write. So now what to do here? Addition symbol is there. So add. 8 is there. Nothing is there below the 8. So 8 only. 9 plus 6. 9 in the mind. 6 in the fingers. After 9, count. How many are there? 6 are there. 9 plus 6, 15. How to write 15? We have to carry. Addition you know or don't know? We have to carry here. See here, 1, 15. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. We have to carry. You know, children, addition sums you know already. 1 plus 1, 2. Over. Understood or not? Yes. One more sum I'll explain, children. The same one more sum I'll explain. Look here. Fourth one, 395 into 24. 395 into 24. See here. 395 into 24. Which number I have to take first now? Which number? 4 I have to take. Close this number. Now multiply with 4. 4 5s are 20. Carry on the next number. Next, this number over. Now go to the next number. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2? 38. How to write? 3 here and 8 here. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3? 13, 14, 15. 15. This number over now. When we are going with the second number, put a plus symbol. So now go to the second number. 2 5s are 10. 0 is here. 10 on the next number. Why? Because you have multiplied here. 2 5s are multiplied. Carry on the next number. Where to carry? Second line. Otherwise you will get confusion. If you will write beside only, you will get confusion which one we have to add. So write on the second line, children. First line carry or sums are first number. Okay. 2 9s are 18. Sorry, 2 5s are 10 we have written. 2 9s are 18 plus 1. Teacher, why plus 1, teacher? Why not plus 2, teacher? This plus 2 is carry number of this first number. So don't add that. go for the second line. Why? Because second number we are multiplying. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 1 is here, 9 is here. One below another compulsory, children. Okay, if you will not write one below another, I will not correct your papers. Okay, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now add 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 9, 14. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Over. And where to put a comma? After 3 digits. Units, tens, hundreds. After 3 digits we have to put a comma. I have taught you in numbers chapter. Okay children, understood how to multiply? Now we'll go with the verbal sums. See children, here are your verbal sums, word problems. Keep your finger on the words what I am going to read now. So the first question is, a schoolboy saves 25 rupees every month. One schoolboy is there. What is his name? What is the schoolboy's name? What is his name? Any name you can take, or else take your name only. He saves 25 rupees every month. Saves means what? He'll keep safely in his house or piggy bank. You all are using piggy bank, yes or no? In that he is saving every month 25 rupees. How much does he save in 1 year? Means what, teacher? 1 year means how many months are there in a 1 year? 12 months are there. So how to write? See your children, how to write? 1 month 25 rupees. Second month again 25. Third month again 25. Fourth month again 25. Fifth month again 20. January 25 rupees. February 20. Every month 25, 25, 25 rupees. How many months are there in 1 year? 12 months are there. So 12 months 25, 25, 25, 25. 12 times you can write. Yes, you can write, but you can add 12 times. It will take time. Yes or no? Before only I have told you children, addition is a repeated multiplication, or multiplication is a repeated addition. So what to do? How to write? Write the same sentence what they have given. What is the first sentence? A schoolboy saves 25 rupees every month. I have told you children, rupees symbol is there. So what to write? Amount saved in 1 month. This is second main. First answer. I will not write question children. You have to write question in your classwork. Okay. See here children. A schoolboy saves 25 rupees every month. So what to write? Amount saved in 1 month is equal to 1 month. How much rupees he will save? 25 rupees. So the second sentence what to write? How much does he save in 1 year? This only we have to write. Amount saved in 12 months is equal to. Teacher, they have given 1 year teacher, but why you have written 12 months teacher? Why? Because 1 year means how many months? 12 months. So I have written 12 months here. Do you know how much rupees he has saved in 12 months? We don't know. We don't know the answer. So put question mark. Now write 25 rupees as it is. How many months? 12 months into 12. Multiply children. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. How to write? 0 here. 1 carry on the next number. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So when you are going for the second number, this number you have to put a plus symbol. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. So now what to do? We have to add. 0 is there, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry on the next number. 2 plus 1, 3. Understood children? So the second question is, before second question, You have to write therefore. What to write? The second sentence, question mark sentence only you have to write. The question mark sentence only you have to write here. Amount saved in 12 months is equal to, what is the amount? Rupees 300. This is rupees symbol. Compulsory you have to write. If you will write only 300, it will not be considered as a correct answer. So rupees symbol is compulsory. Now come to the second question. Second question. What is second question? Read, children. Loudly you read. Second question is, there are 75 chocolates in a packet. In a packet. In a packet means what? In one packet. In last class I have told you, a means what? One. There are 75 chocolates in a packet. You will take a chocolate packet for your birthday. Yes or no? To school you will bring. Yes or no? Every year one chocolate packet you will bring. In that how many chocolates are there? 75 chocolates are there. How many chocolates are there in 7 such packets? See here, you will take one chocolate packet. In this how many are there? 75 are there. One more. Like this, how many packets you will take? 7 you will take. See here, 7 packets you will take. So 75, 75, 75, 7 times you have to add. It will take a time. So what to write, children? Number of, here see here rupees symbol is there? No. Kg, gram, liter, milliliter, anything is there? No, nothing is there. So what to write? Number. So write second answer, answer number 2. Number of chocolates in one packet is equal to 75. So what is the second sentence here? What they have asked, how many chocolates are there in 7 such packets? So number of chocolates in 7 such packets is equal to number of chocolates in 7 packets is equal to question mark. Don't know. So what to write? 75 into 7. Multiply 7 5s are 35. How to write? 3 carry on the next number. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3, 50, 51, 52. This is what the answer. Therefore what to write? Therefore question mark sentence. Number of chocolates in 7 packets is equal to 525. Understood, children? Yes. Now the last one more sum I will explain. Rest all you have to do it in your classwork. Sixth question. Answer number 6. Answer 6. So what is the question? What is the question? Neeta prepares 200 toys in a month. 200 toys in a month. Neeta prepares means what? She'll prepare 200 toys in a month. In 1 month 200 toys ready ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಂತವಳು. How many such toys she prepares in 3 years? 1 year means 12 months. 3 year means 12 3s are 36. So we'll write here number of toys prepared in 1 month. Prepared in 1 month is equal to how many? 200. Number of toys prepared in 3 years. 3 years means how many months? In bracket you write 36 months is equal to question mark. Question mark. So here 200 into 36. 200 here. 36 in the second line. So write 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12 plus 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6. One below another neatly you have to write, children. 0, 0, 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore, what to write therefore? Number of toys. Number of toys. Question mark sentence we have to write. This second line we have to write. Number of toys prepared in 3 years is equal to 7,200. Understood? So, this is the way how we have to multiply the verbal sums. So, here now orally I will discuss, children. I am not going to explain. Orally I will explain. First one I have written and showed you how to solve. Second one also I have showed you how to solve. Now come to the third question. Just keep your finger, children. A bag contains a bag. A bag means what? A means what? I have told you. A bag means one bag. One bag contains 25 kg rice. Means what? Kg they have given. Kg means what to do? Rupees means amount or cost you will write. Yes? But here kg they have given. Kg means what to write? Quantity. Quantity of rice in one bag is equal to 25 kg. So now the second sentence is find the total weight of rice of 68 such bags. Okay, what to write second sentence? Who will tell the second sentence? Raise your hand, children. Who will say the second sentence? Raise your hand. Who knows the second sentence? Yes, come on, tell me. The second sentence is quantity of rice in 68 bags is equal to question mark. Yes or no? Now you can solve. 25 into 68 you can solve. Yes or no? Now come to the fourth question. A notebook has 96 pages. A notebook. I am stressing on this A. A means what? One. One notebook has 96 pages. See here, one notebook is there. This is my notebook. How many pages are there in this? 96 pages are there. So, what to write first sentence? 96 here, rupees is there? No. Kg is there? Rupees is there or not? No, it is not there. So, we are not supposed to write cost. Okay. Now, kg, liter, milliliter, gram is there? No. So, we are not supposed to write quantity also. If anything is not there means what to write? Number of. Number of pages in a notebook is equal to 96. So, second sentence. Number of pages in 45 books is equal to question mark. Multiply 96 into 45. Therefore, also you must write, children. Fifth question. The expenditure for a school program is 900 rupees. So, what to write? The expenditure for a school program is same 900 rupees. Teacher, I have one doubt, teacher. You said if rupees is there means 900. Then I will write amount. You can write, children. Amount also you can write. This sentence also you can write. The expenditure for a school program is 900 rupees. So, for a school program means one program 900 rupees. Like that, how many programs they have done? 11 programs they have done. One program 900 rupees they need as a expenditure. How much rupees they need for 11 programs? So multiply 900 rupees into 11. Understood, children? I hope you all have understood. If you have any doubts, you can call me and you can message me. I'll clear your doubts, children. So today's homework is you have to write exercise 5.4 first main as well as second main in your maths classwork without fail. If you will not write it today, definitely I'll remove your name from the group. You will be added to 3rd standard group now. Today only you must write, children. Okay? Now, thank you.